cute. Tuxie, good job, Tux.
Yep.
Tuxie.
Let the girl eat her garden burger way on. As soon as you're done, I will bring you your favorite. Very common, remember? Your dad still has it.
You sleep?
You're cute.
She's sleeping with her eyes open.
Ask Marlene if she's okay.
Is she okay?
She's in the bathroom. She said she's
Is
okay.
she okay?
Yeah, she says she's okay.
He looked up at you when you walked by.
Mom, where's your cell?
Isn't he a nice and cute boy? He's cute and pretty, Mommy. Look at how pretty his black is. Izzy's black is nothing compared to this black.
He's gorgeous.
This is the kind of black cat I want. With all black like this. Like pitch
All
black.
black.
No, I mean like this kind of black. You know, Izzy's kind of light black.
Yeah, she's got sort
I
of
like
a brown.
I like dark black like this.
I have homework to do. I'll talk to you later.
Oh, she's purring. I mean, he's purring.
I want Tux to sleep at wind.
Oops.
I plan to confront him and demand to know what his problem was.
Her ear is so soft.
That's a vampire.
That guy's.
Yeah, the one standing up.
But he never showed.
That's a mean guy.
No, he was trying to get her attention, but he didn't realize she had headphones on. The main vampires haven't shown up yet.
Another no-show.
Soon.
So this isn't the one with the werewolves on it?
Yep, it is.
Things were getting a little
Wait,
strange.
Who?
Gotta watch the movie. Here's the bad vampires. Vampires.
he's running away from
He's running away from the vampires. The bad ones. And those are the bad ones.
They're girls?
Well, there's one girl and two boys.